welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting back into the house of Boadicea, mamacita, mamacita. I'm excited. The first one, Green Sapphire. Interesting. Definitely check out that video. But that's old news. Right now, we're about to get into Lannosea. Hey, listen, if not anything, these are some of the best names I have experienced. I like it. I like it a lot. Very interesting and fun to say. These are just fun to say. Which is not something that's super duper common, right? I'm trying to get this so you can see it. All right, boom. Lannosea. Can you see it? Lannosea. All right, back to me. Come on, focus. There it is. There it is. All right, so this bottle, not too different from the Green Sapphire bottle. But what I will say is the Green Sapphire, there was something about that sapphire that really illuminates from the bottle, right? Like I got a very good depiction of what I was about to get. Now, I haven't smelled this yet, so this could smell like very similar to what it looks like. I don't know. This is 160, oh my gosh, $625 for a 100 ml. Yes. A dazzling capture of restless light and shadow. A sun drenched in alchemy of contrast where citrus radiance meets smoky harvest depth. Okay, so, I mean, yes. The answer is yes. This is spherical, and it's red like the sun. So there it is. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. I know you guys are like, shut up and spray. All right, let's do it. It's time for the application. Let us see. Bam. Okay. Right on skin. Right on time. Oh, sorry. Yes. Right on skin. Right on time. All right. So. Whoa. Perfume's description. Oh my gosh. I'm just going to read the top half of this. I am my mother's daughter. Name for the queen of Boadicea's daughter. Lannosea is a sun-drenched alchemy of contrast. Citrus radiance meets a harvest smoke depths, capturing the light and shadow for remarkable perfume, delicious twisted citrus, and salt rushed with Moorish Coloas dates, lending a buttery caramel chewiness. I lost my dates and radiant floral, a delirious concoction of surprise and announcing the generation of perfumes. Whoa. A sublime lemon, yeah. Confit accord combining, wow. This is beautiful. In the top notes, you have bergamot, pink pepper, rum, confit, lemon, Coloas dates. In the hearts, you have balsam fir, orange blossom, elderflower, Litsea, Cubeba, coffee. In the base, you have leather, cedarwood, Gaiac wood, Labdanum, smokewood fusion, and oakwood fusion. This might be the most beautiful citrus fragrance I've ever smelled. Somehow, it is bright, sweet, and not like predictably cloying. It's not youthful. It's like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna drop my phone. Yo, this here, I can just visualize, and this is gonna sound crazy, but with this fragrance, I can just visualize the most beautiful woman on earth wearing this. This smells like what Selma Hayek looked like coming out of From Dusk Till Dawn. That's what this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This smells amazing. This is a 10 out of 10. I would not wear this. I would not wear this. But this is one of the most beautiful, sensual, exciting, vibrant, entertaining, imaginative. Oh my gosh, this smells, it's intoxicating. It is intoxicating. This is one of those fragrances. I did a video a while ago, a live stream, when I talked about fragrances that smell good versus fragrances that are addicting. This fragrance is one of the most addicting fragrances I've ever smelled in my life. It could just be me. Like, I'm just go ahead and say that now. It could just be something that works for me. Give me a second. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of speechless. There's something in here that I've never smelled before, and I can't place what it is. Confit lemon. Listen. Oh my gosh. There's so much going on. It is hard to describe. I know what these are, but they're all curveballs, and they're all happening at the same time. I don't know where. There's something in here that is like sweet and warm. Oh my gosh, there's something in here that I've smelled before. Good gracious. Focus. Good Lord. Gosh, man, I don't know what it is. It must be the dates. It must be the dates. $600? Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. Yeah, like I said, I don't know if I'd wear this, but I would definitely get this for my shorty. For sure. There's no question about it. Okay, so the lemon is residing a bit, and that warm sweetness is coming out. It's almost like, and it's not at all, but it almost kind of reminds me of like, I can't remember what that stuff is. I don't want to say. Gosh, man. Woo, this is a roller coaster. I like this. Personally, this is a 10 out of 10. Like I'm willing to deem it a 10 out of 10. Yes, go forward and apply this thing right here. Oh, focus. Yeah, man. This is amazing. This is great. Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. I have to go through this house now. I have to go through this house. Remarkable. Remarkable. And I don't listen, guys, I don't do that lightly. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like, I gotta think. There's nothing to think about. I like this more than Green Sapphire, for sure. Sapphire was very sophisticated. And now I'm getting more, well, that's a different review. Gosh almighty, man. This is one of the best smelling addictive fragrances I've ever smelled in my life. Yeah. It doesn't talk about the perfumer or anything like that. It definitely should. This has 47 reviews to Green Sapphire's 8. At $600, it's not cheap, but I could definitely see why it has more reviews. Good googly moogly, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I am very impressed. I am very impressed. I am very impressed. They have single-handedly brought back lemon, because lemon is like, lemon gets described as generic all the time because it was, and this is my theory, I think it was such a predominant fragrance through, I don't know, probably like the 70s all the way through to like the 2000s or whatever, early 2000s. I think it gets labeled as generic. Like whenever people smell it, oh, it's generic. And I don't necessarily believe that to be true. I think it's just more common, which maybe is generic, but I don't know. Like, I think you can still do things with it. This here single-handedly proves that you can do things with lemon that people are just not being imaginative enough about. Champion, and the reason why I say this is because Champion by Davidoff, I love that fragrance. And people, it just says generic. I don't think it's generic. Now, this is definitely not that. This is amazing. But I'm just saying, like, it just goes to show that there is still juice left in that lemon. On that note, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up because I will never do better than that. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys for checking out this video. Let me know, what do you think about Lannosea by Boadicea. Thank you for watching. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. Check them out. I will catch you in the next one.